नित्यानन्देश्वरसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परा. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I welcome everyone sitting with us through Nityananda TV, Facebook Live, YouTube Live, two-way video conferencing. All over the world. Today I wanted to expand on this. One statement I made in Sadashivoham, which has become Facebook status for many, but still many has questions. I made a statement. Some of the atheist philosophies say man made God in his own mold. Some of the Western religious and philosophical thought currents say God made man in his own mold. Both are not completely true. Listen to the ultimate truth, the supreme truth, the really real truth. I made this statement in Glimpses of Sadashivoham. Listen to this statement. Sadashiva made everything and all of us in his own see. S-E-E. Listen. Not seeing, not seen, not S-E-E-N-E, not S-E-A, no. S-E-E. I wanted to use some word which is immediate action and existentially happening. If I use the word seen, then past. No. He has not created the world and gone to rest. No. No. Nowhere Hindu god rests or sleeps or takes vacation. No. In Hinduism, God never works and neither asks for vacation. The very idea, work, vacation, all that proves whoever has those ideas, God works and God takes off, you are making your God from your mold. He neither works nor takes off. There is no working day and holiday in Hindu tradition, because in Hindu tradition God is a survival department which cannot rest. His survival department, he cannot afford to take off. Listen. I can't use the word seen. I can't use the word seeing. Seeing reduces the whole thing just to an action. No. Why I use the word see? Listen. See is a happening. Sadashiva is Karana, Karya, Moola. Listen. Karana, the cause. Karya, the effect. Moola, the source. If a pot is made, clay, potter, and the force potter is using on the clay, and the knowledge potter has, which he applies on the clay, all that put together becomes a pot. Understand, Sadashiva is all this for all of us. Listen carefully. Sadashiva is all this for all of us. He is the material out of which we are made. He is the material out of which we are made. He is the potter who is making us. He is the force which is put on us for us to stay as we are, and is the knowledge which is applying the force on us to stay as we are. Listen. Listen. Immediately we all have a question. If He is everything, then why there is so much of sadness and suffering and wrong things? Stupid. Ask the question the other way. If He is everything, how can there be all this? It's all false. Put the question the other way. Put your anchor on the truth, not on delusion. If He is everything, then why am I deluded as if all this exists? I am not insensitive. Don't try to bring all that matrix theories. Oh, he is so insensitive about poverty. He is so insensitive about poor people. Understand, all your so-called philanthropists, charitable fellows are running around only about either Nobel Prize or sainthood. No charity happens through them. No charity happens through them. Listen. I am not insensitive to poverty. I am not disrespectful to people suffering. Try to understand what I am explaining. Then you will understand the reality. You will be out of the matrix. You will be out of the matrix. One of the worst problem with which you all suffer, one of the worst problem with which you all suffer, listen carefully. One of the worst problem with which you all suffer is the victimhood you carry. You project it on everyone and you believe strongly it is an existential reality. When you try to show yourself as a victim, you feel very good. That is what I call powerless pornography. Cheapest pornography. Cheapest pornography a human being can enjoy is the taste of showing themselves as victim. Enjoying the victimhood. That's the cheapest pornography any human being can enjoy. Because you enjoy that, you do not want to deny the existence of it. You want to project that on everyone. And whole world there is so much suffering. You mean to say there is no suffering? I mean, there is no suffering. After going through so much of attack from all corners of the world, I mean, there is no suffering. Understand, ask the question in right way. If Sadashiva made all of us in his own sea, don't ask why there is so much suffering, then how can there be delusion of this suffering? Ask the right question. Don't ask why there is so much of suffering. The moment you say why there is so much of suffering, you put the anchor on the delusion and you are trying to question the Turyatita. Put the anchor on Turyatita and ask, then why am I feeling there is so much of suffering? Because you enjoy cheap victimhood pornography most of the time. You want to prove you are trying your best, you don't want to make it happen. Understand? Making it happen is different. Collecting all the arguments to prove I am really trying my best to happen, make it happen. If you establish you are really trying your best to make it happen, you may get medal but not result. You may get medal, not result. Understand, most of the time, because you enjoy victimhood, you project that on others. You project that on world. Want to strongly believe the existence of suffering. When you want to believe something, nobody can stop you. Nobody can stop you. No one can stop you when you want to believe something. Listen to this truth again. Sadashiva made all of us in his own sea. S-E-E. I don't want to conclude it as seen or seeing. See. Because one more understanding I want to share with you. Only if some matter is connected to you, you feel that as me. For example, as long as your hands are connected to you, you feel that as you. You can handle it. You can do what you want with it. You can stretch, push, pull, up, down, all. But if your third eye is awakened, you enter into the next frequency. Everything you see, you know, is the material out of which you are made, is the same material out of which whatever you are seeing is also made. So, you just know how to deal with the matrix. You just know the matter becomes your own extension. Anything you see becomes your own extension. Looks too big. I know for most of you, even understanding is so difficult. How is it going to happen to me? When is it going to happen to me? In the dream state, if I tell you, when you wake up, There will be a huge Nityananda Sabha. Lot of deities will be there with all beautifully jeweled, with all the vehicles, decorations, screens, so many things. And if you start calculating, even to stitch one curtain, it takes 10 years for me. I have to learn tailoring, learn weaving, and then weave and stitch it and hang it. When am I going to build the whole Nityananda Sabha? How foolish your logic and calculation is. If you wake up from the dream, in which most of you are, you will see the Nityananda Sabha. If you wake up from this dream and open your third eye, you will just see all the things you are seeing is extension of you. Understand? Delusion. Delusion needs only awakening. It needs smart decision, not hard work. It needs smart decision, not hard work. When I say Sadashiva made all of us in his own sea, listen. When I say Sadashiva made all of us in his own sea, I mean, from this truth, question what do you think should not be there, or what do you think creates doubt about this statement. If you are from that side and question this statement, it will never become your reality. Be on this side and question that side. Blessed are those who have a trust on Guru to push themselves to this side and question that side. You can go on, be on that side and question this side. I am not the loser. I'll continue. I read a one-liner. On the way I met few rowdies standing and teasing, making fun, criticizing, throwing stones. I continued with my journey. After going long distance, when I turned back, I saw they standing in the same place and teasing somebody else. That is all his life. That is all his life. I'll go on. If you are fortunate enough, jump this side and question that side, you will realize it, you will wake up. All these powers I am manifesting through this body or the bodies of my kids is nothing but the evidence and witness I am providing to establish what I am claiming as the supreme truth. It is just an evidence to declare what I am claiming as supreme truth. Understand? I'll give you further clarifications and explanations in further satsangs. Today again we have a long day. Samskara Dahana Kriya, a very powerful process, and there will be an energy darshan rebooting. Control delete. Whatever you can't delete, I'll do it finally. So it is called control delete energization. Rebooting energization. Making yourself completely available to rewrite your life as you want. So, we have a long day today. Let's get ready. Remember again, I wanted to insist and repeat, Sadashiva made all of us in his own sea, not mold, not seeing, not seen, not SEEC, not SENE, seen. No. Sadashiva made all of us in his own sea. Even the made word may not be right completely. Sadashiva is projecting all of us in his own sea. Either I can use the word projecting, or I can use the word manifesting, or I can use the word making. Manifesting may be the best word. Sadashiva is manifesting all of us in his own sea. Let this be your Facebook status for today, and let this be the subject for Vakyartha Sadas today. Let this be contemplated, analyzed, internalized again and again. Please continue this truth as a material for Vakyartha Sadas today. With this, I bless you all. Let you all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhadvaita Saivam, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.